Hey tech fans, this is Kelly Basie here, and this is another week of the Gem Factor. Wait for it. Bam, that's a gem, and it's a factor. Just kidding. All right, so what's the Gem Factor? Well, great question. We're here week after week presenting one job based on a bunch of gems or reasons on why you want to quit your job for this job. And then at the end, we rank them and give you a final score, and it's a home run because we tell you about the salary, we tell you about the perks and what makes this cool, and again, why you want to quit for this one. But we do all sorts of different jobs week after week, so you probably got this particular video because you're not answering our calls. We've given you a lot of voicemails, or a friend sent it to you, because it fits your technical skill set and it fits really your vision for the future. So you should probably listen. And it's not that long. There's Hollywood stars that come on later, so you should just watch and wait. Okay, ready? What's this week's job? It's a data analyst. Okay, so for the first gem, tech stack. So you need at least 5 years of IT experience in some of the following here: data modeling, mining, and design. So this is not a reporting job. Let me tell you, not a reporting job. You are not a data reporter or a SQL reporter analyst. No, this is for database design and modeling, though you should be adept in some of the querying and writing. So that means you need to have expertise in SQL experience. You should know it in and out and know how to manipulate that data. PL SQL and OLAP, pluses in this. But ETL tools, so really any tool, data stage, Informatica, etc. If you use some of it or all of it, whatever, that's really important here for at least having some exposure. And last but not least, Coolness tool set. So reporting, analysis, querying, metric studios, all the above. They really are looking for somebody that's used those tools inside really kind of a little bit of a larger organization. So bachelor's degree is a plus. Computer science, well, they probably want a bachelor's degree. Let's say bachelor's degree required, I would say, plus computer science or some of the information systems. Also, any other exposure to statistical packages such as Excel, SPSS, SAS, you name it, it's all part of it. So what do we rank this? Well, tech stack, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10, and it's partly because of the Coolness side. If you get Coolness on your resume or you have it and you're looking to kind of excel, it's a no-brainer. You're definitely going to be in a high demand around this industry, especially within Cleveland. So we give it a 10 out of 10. So next we move on to salary. So $85K. $85K? Yeah, for a database design, modeling, and not being a developer, but really kind of doing the analysis side, $85K is huge. And with that comes a 10% bonus. Bonus! Anybody? 10%. That brings you almost up to $100K, folks. Awesome. Benefits, full gamut, medical, dental, vision, some life insurance in there. 401K, but pension. A lot of companies have done away with pension plans. So if you don't have one and you're looking to take advantage of that and really see yourself maybe trying to retire here sooner than later, well, pension's great. Also, work from home. That's a perk, but we'll get there in a little bit later. But work from home with that salary, sign me up. I wish I could do ETL, ATL, ABC, 1, 2, 3. Okay. We pause. So what is this? So Stingray Tech. Why am I talking about that? Well, they actually do the video production here. And they put up with me. They put up with you. They understand our vision for you, really. They understand that we want to talk about the latest and greatest jobs out there, get it out there for everybody to see, and find people like you who are looking to make that next change and get them there. So if you need to, make a video about maybe some educational training tool out there, or take that software packaging to the next level, or about your cat, I don't know, Tim and the guys will figure it out. Stingray Tech, they truly are the video experts. Okay, we move on. So next we go to the growth. So what about this company or this industry or this job in particular is growing, and why is it appealing for you? Great question. Well, 80 years of business and going strong. And they're headquartered here actually in Cleveland. So, I mean, need I say more? Company around 80 years here, awesome. New growth within the position. So they've actually had international presence, right? So 5+ continents out there that they're now either on or distributing on. Therefore, they're constantly acquiring new business. So that new business leads to new positions, which leads to more data, which leads to a growing role that you'll be in. Need I say more? I won't. I'll just stand here. I won't say anything more. That's boring. Okay, we'll move on. Big BI, business intelligence, right? So business intelligence has become a larger priority over the years at this company and really the industry in itself, but it's expanding its tool sets and it's actually expanding kind of how they're manipulating the data. This role has a ton of potential, and for that, we give this a 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10 on the growth, ranking here. It's truly, your production here is just gonna be going up and going strong. So next, we move on to perks. So what's a perk? Well, this role stems directly to consumers. Therefore, you're working a lot with the marketing group, not just always IT, and it's to understand how really the customers and the consumers are reacting to products out there and how you can better reach them. So not just IT, there's also a bunch of training and tuition reimbursement here. So having the right trainings and tools to do the job is key, right? Everybody wants that, and not everybody knows everything, or else we wouldn't be here. And so if there's no one there to show you, they'll send you off for certification, or maybe you want to invest into furthering your education yourself and going into the MBA or PhD of, I don't know, whatever, something smart. You will be able to do that with this company's help. Also, I label this a perk. It's not downtown, actually commuting outside the city, no traffic, no parking expenses, no noise, really, when you understand what this organization does and where they're at. It's pretty nice and serene. And truly, you can leave work at work and then go back home, or leave your home and go to work, and it's peaceful. So overall, we give this an 8 out of 10 on perks, really, because, maybe you can't bring your dog to work, but you can do a lot of other things here. All right. Enough of that. Oh, we pause again because Emerald RG. What is that? Emerald Resource Group, folks. That's us. And that's our Twitter account. And we give a lot of updates every day on different jobs out there that we're working on for you, or different industry articles related to you. And we also have a lot of jobs that are posted on our website, emeraldresourcegroup.com. You can go to the career search function and find that listed there. But this is a time when we actually introduce which recruiter. We show the face of them and which recruiter is working on this particular role and who you should contact. So without further ado, I'm going to show the face of Sharon. Why isn't this thing working? Sharon. Introducing Sharon Winkler.
Me?
Oh, look at who invited you here. All right, no, really, we're going to let her talk about the role, and really, she's the one that you'll be talking to after this, and you're going to, quit your job for this job. So listen up for Sharon. Have fun. See you guys.
Thanks. The next factor we're going to talk about is flexibility. Flexibility. This company gets it. You can have a life and a family. You can create your own schedule, come in a little late, leave a little early. If you have something on the stove, like in the crock pot, you can actually wait for it to finish. If you have a cable guy coming in, you can work from home that day, wait for him, then go into work. Just leave a little later. Manager gets it. Life, work balance. This role allows for 2 days remote. So Kelly mentioned you can't bring your dog to work, but you can work from home with your dog. This role also allows for a really healthy mix in your day. Are you reporting to your IT boss, to the manager, sometimes the marketing team, and sometimes some C-level executives? It all depends on how your day mix goes and what you're working on that day. So you're not going to be stuck in a cubicle working on routine work every day. You get to get involved with the marketing team, reach out to the customers, analyze that data, and create really fun reports. So therefore, we rank this gem factor as a 10 out of 10 for flexibility. Coolness. The next, we're going to talk about coolness. So there's 7 people on the team. This makes for a very collaborative team. And it's a growing team as well. So you get to meet new people, bring on new people, engage them. You work with an awesome boss. And this company has an award-winning recent robotics implementation.
Mr. Roboto.
Lastly, you can retire here. It's a company with a great legacy and a really healthy place to be. So with the coolness factor, we rate it as a 9 out of 10.
Okay. So here it comes, folks. The moment you always wait for. Do you wait for this every time?
Every time.
All right. So
Every time.
what is the gem ranking factor, folks? Well, wait for it. Drum roll, please. Bam.
56 out of 60.
That is a strong ranking, everybody. Maybe it's because Sharon's here. Maybe it's because you're actually listening and you're going to talk to us after this. Who knows? But all right, what do you do from here? Well, Sharon, what can they do?
Email me, Sharon@emeraldresourcegroup.com.
Actually, and her last name, Sharon Winkler.
Like the fonts.
E. Okay, or you can apply. You can go online, emeraldresourcegroup.com, find the data analyst position, and send it. If you don't want to talk to her and you just want to send that, you'll eventually talk to her, folks. Really, she's not that scary. She's also a little short. Is that better? Okay, and or you can retweet it. So you can retweet it, you can favorite it, repost it, send it to your friends. I mean,
just email me. We'll start from there. Sharon@emeraldresourcegroup.com. We'll talk, and I'll tell you more details about the opportunity.
Great. So with that, this is the Gem Factor. This is Sharon. I'm Kelly Basie. We'll be back next week, folks. Have a great one.